My topic is influencer marketing on different platforms: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, etc. In detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Influencer marketing can be implemented on various social media platforms, each offering unique features, audience demographics, and content formats. Let's explore how influencer marketing can be leveraged on popular platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Instagram. Visual content. Instagram is primarily a visual platform, making it ideal for showcasing products, lifestyle, and aesthetics. Influencers can create engaging photo and video content to promote brands. Stories and live streaming. Instagram stories and live streaming allow influencers to provide real-time updates, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and interactive experiences, fostering a sense of authenticity and immediacy. Sponsored posts. Influencers can collaborate with brands through sponsored posts, where they create dedicated content featuring the brand's products or services. Clear disclosure and transparency are essential to comply with platform guidelines and regulations. Influencer takeovers. Brands can allow influencers to take over their Instagram account for a limited time, giving them control over content creation and engaging the brand's audience in a unique way. YouTube. Video content. YouTube is a video-centric platform, suitable for long-form content, tutorials, product reviews, and storytelling. Influencers can create engaging videos that educate, entertain, and promote brands. Product demonstrations. Influencers can demonstrate how to use products effectively through tutorials or how-to videos, showcasing their features and benefits. Collaborative content. Brands can collaborate with influencers on sponsored videos or series, where the influencer integrates the brand's products or services into their content in a seamless and authentic way. Ad placements. Brands can leverage YouTube's advertising options, such as pre-roll ads or sponsored cards, to reach their target audience while leveraging the influence and reach of popular YouTubers. TikTok. Short-form video content. TikTok's format revolves around short, engaging videos. Brands can partner with influencers to create entertaining, relatable, and engaging content that aligns with the brand's values and resonates with the TikTok community. Challenges and trends. TikTok is known for its viral challenges and trends. Brands can collaborate with influencers to create branded challenges, encouraging user participation and generating user-generated content related to the brand. Influencer endorsements. Influencers on TikTok can endorse products or services by creating fun and authentic videos showcasing the brand in a creative and engaging manner. Hashtag campaigns. Brands can create branded hashtags and work with influencers to promote them, encouraging users to participate, create content, and engage with the brand's campaign. It's important to note that the suitability of a platform depends on the brand's target audience, marketing goals, and content strategy. Brands should consider the platform's features, audience demographics, engagement levels, and alignment with their brand values when selecting the appropriate platform for their influencer marketing campaigns. Influencer marketing can be effective on various social media platforms, each offering unique features, audience demographics, and content formats. Here's a look at influencer marketing on some popular platforms. Instagram. Instagram is one of the most popular platforms for influencer marketing. It is visual-centric and allows influencers to share photos, videos, and stories. Instagram influencers often collaborate with brands through sponsored posts, product placements, or brand ambassadorships. The platform's emphasis on aesthetics and lifestyle content makes it suitable for fashion, beauty, travel, food, and lifestyle brands. YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform that offers opportunities for long-form content and in-depth storytelling. YouTube influencers can create product reviews, tutorials, vlogs, and other engaging video formats. Influencer marketing on YouTube allows brands to leverage the influencer's expertise and engage with audiences interested in a wide range of topics, from technology to fitness to education. TikTok. TikTok is a short-form video platform known for its viral content and trend-driven culture. It has a predominantly younger user base, making it ideal for targeting Gen Z and millennial audiences. TikTok influencers often showcase creative, entertaining, and authentic content that aligns with current trends. Brands can collaborate with influencers on TikTok through branded challenges, sponsored content, or product integrations. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform primarily focused on B2B interactions. Influencer marketing on LinkedIn involves collaborating with industry experts, thought leaders, or professionals who can provide valuable insights and engage with a professional audience. Influencers on LinkedIn can create long-form articles, share industry-specific knowledge, or participate in discussions to build credibility and authority. Twitter. Twitter is a microblogging platform where influencers can share short updates, opinions, and engage in real-time conversations. Influencer marketing on Twitter involves influencers sharing sponsored content, participating in brand conversations, or promoting products and services within their tweets. Twitter is suitable for timely campaigns, news, events, and discussions. Facebook. Facebook offers a wide range of content formats, including text, images, videos, and live streaming. Influencer marketing on Facebook can involve collaborations for sponsored posts, live events, or branded content. Facebook's extensive user base and diverse demographics make it suitable for reaching a wide range of audiences across different niches. Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual discovery platform where users search for ideas, inspiration, and save content for future reference. Influencer marketing on Pinterest involves working with influencers to create and promote visually appealing and inspirational content. Brands can collaborate with influencers to showcase their products, provide DIY tutorials, or curate content related to their niche. When choosing the right platform for your influencer marketing campaign, consider your target audience, content objectives, and the platform's features and demographics. It's often beneficial to engage with influencers who have a strong presence and engagement on the platform where your target audience is most active. Remember that a multi-platform approach can also be effective, depending on your brand's goals and resources. Influencer marketing has become a popular strategy on various social media platforms, each with its unique characteristics and audience. Let's explore influencer marketing on 3 popular platforms: Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Instagram. Instagram is known for its visual content and is highly suitable for lifestyle, fashion, beauty, food, and travel influencers. Here's how influencer marketing works on Instagram. Sponsored posts. Influencers create sponsored posts featuring products or services, typically in a visually appealing format. These posts may include captions, tags, and hashtags to promote the brand. Instagram Stories. Influencers use Instagram Stories to share real-time content, behind-the-scenes glimpses, product demonstrations, or Q&A sessions. These temporary posts offer a sense of authenticity and allow for interactive engagement with the audience. Influencer takeovers. Brands may collaborate with influencers for account takeovers, allowing them to temporarily control the brand's Instagram account. This helps to reach a wider audience and increase engagement. YouTube. YouTube is a video-centric platform that offers in-depth and long-form content. It is suitable for educational, tutorial, entertainment, and product review content. Here's how influencer marketing works on YouTube. Sponsored videos. Influencers create sponsored videos featuring product reviews, demonstrations, tutorials, or endorsements. The videos allow for detailed explanations, storytelling, and an opportunity for influencers to share their genuine experiences and opinions. Brand integrations. Brands may collaborate with influencers for brand integrations within their videos. This involves featuring products or services naturally within the content, allowing for authentic promotion and exposure to the influencer's subscriber base. Sponsored series or campaigns. Influencers may partner with brands to create a series of videos or a dedicated campaign that revolves around the brand's products or messages. This helps to build a consistent brand narrative and generate more significant exposure. TikTok. TikTok is a short-form video platform known for its viral trends, challenges, and creative content. It appeals to a younger audience and is suitable for various niches, including entertainment, comedy, fashion, beauty, and DIY. Here's how influencer marketing works on TikTok. Branded challenges. Brands create and promote branded challenges, encouraging users to create videos around a specific theme or using a particular hashtag. Influencers play a crucial role in initiating and participating in these challenges, generating user-generated content and driving brand engagement. Influencer endorsements. Influencers create short videos endorsing a brand's product or service, showcasing its features, benefits, or creative uses. The videos often reflect TikTok's authentic and playful style, aiming to capture the audience's attention and engagement. Influencer campaigns. Brands collaborate with influencers for dedicated campaigns or sponsored content series, where influencers create a sequence of TikTok videos that align with the brand's messaging or product promotion. These campaigns can generate sustained exposure and audience interaction. It's important to note that influence adapted and customized to fit each platform's unique format, audience preferences, and best practices. Choosing the right platforms for your brand depends on your target audience, campaign objectives, and the type of content that aligns with your brand's values and messaging. Influencer marketing has become a popular advertising strategy for many brands, as it allows them to reach their target audience through trusted voices in their industry. Here's a breakdown of influencer marketing on different platforms. Instagram. Instagram is one of the most popular platforms for influencer marketing, as it has a large user base and highly engaged audiences. Brands can partner with Instagram influencers to promote their products or services through sponsored posts or takeovers, Instagram stories, or even long-term collaborations. Influencers on Instagram often have specific niche audiences, making it easier for brands to reach their target audience. YouTube. YouTube is another popular platform for influencer marketing, with top creators often having millions of loyal subscribers. Brands can partner with YouTube influencers to create sponsored videos or product reviews. Influencers on YouTube often have deep expertise in the topics they cover, making their audiences more likely to trust their recommendations. TikTok. TikTok is a newer platform for influencer marketing, but it has quickly gained popularity and attention. Brands can partner with TikTok influencers to create sponsored videos or challenges. TikTok influencers often have a younger audience, making it a great platform for brands targeting Gen Z. Other platforms. Influencer marketing can also take place on other platforms, such as Twitter, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. Twitter influencers can promote brands through sponsored tweets or threads. LinkedIn influencers can share sponsored content or become brand ambassadors. Pinterest influencers can use sponsored pins or boards to promote products or services. Overall, influencer marketing can be a powerful tool for any brand looking to amplify their message and reach new audiences. By partnering with trusted influencers on different platforms, brands can build awareness, boost sales, and establish lasting connections with their target audience. Influencer marketing can be implemented on various social media platforms, each with its own unique characteristics and audience demographics. Here's a look at influencer marketing on some popular platforms. Instagram. Instagram is one of the most widely used platforms for influencer marketing. It is known for its visual nature, with a focus on images and short videos. Influencers on Instagram often showcase products, create sponsored posts, share product reviews, and engage with their followers through captions and comments. Instagram Stories and IGTV also provide additional opportunities for influencer collaborations and content creation. YouTube. YouTube is a video-centric platform that allows influencers to create longer-form content, tutorials, reviews, and vlogs. YouTube influencers often have dedicated subscriber bases and can provide in-depth insights and demonstrations of products or services. Collaborations on YouTube may include sponsored videos, product placements, or integration into influencers' content. TikTok. TikTok has gained tremendous popularity, particularly among younger demographics. It is known for short-form video content and challenges. Influencer marketing on TikTok involves influencers creating engaging and entertaining videos that incorporate brands' products or messaging. TikTok's algorithmic nature can result in rapid content discovery and virality, making it a platform with significant potential reach. Twitter. While Twitter is primarily a text-based platform, influencers can still leverage it for marketing purposes. Influencers on Twitter often share thoughts, opinions, and recommendations through tweets. Collaborations may include sponsored tweets, product announcements, or brand mentions in influencer conversations. Twitter can be particularly effective for real-time engagement, discussions, and amplification of brand messages. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that can be useful for B2B influencer marketing. Influencers on LinkedIn often share industry insights, thought leadership content, and career-related advice. Collaborations on LinkedIn may involve influencers publishing articles, creating sponsored posts, or participating in discussions relevant to their industry. Facebook. Facebook offers a wide range of options for influencer marketing, including sponsored posts, live videos, and collaborations within groups or communities. Facebook's vast user base allows for precise targeting based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Influencers can engage with their followers through posts, comments, and live Q&A sessions. Snapchat. Snapchat is a platform known for its disappearing content and augmented reality (AR) features. Influencer marketing on Snapchat typically involves influencers sharing authentic, behind-the-scenes glimpses into their lives, collaborating with brands on sponsored stories, or utilizing AR filters and lenses to promote products or experiences. Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual discovery platform that can be valuable for influencer collaborations in niches such as fashion, beauty, home decor, and lifestyle. Influencers on Pinterest curate collections, create boards, and share inspiring visuals that align with their personal brand and the brand they promote. When considering influencer marketing, it's important to choose the platforms that align with your target audience, brand objectives, and content format preferences. Each platform offers unique opportunities for content creation, engagement, and reach, so it's worth exploring a mix of platforms based on your brand's specific needs and the preferences of. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.